after I kind of got my shot, then I realized that I have forgotten to include some things that I wanted to include. Some students had made some like little small things. I have what I call my small of fame here. And this is like all the smallest things in the world that students have given me. And it just adds another layer of like whimsy and fun to this. Like these tiny little things that they've either given me to add to my small of fame, and it's just figuring out where do they belong? Like, where do they look right? Maybe I don't want 3. Maybe I want 2, or maybe I want 1. I don't know. Maybe I'll do the 1. I can't really tell it's a die that way. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how I'm thinking through all of my decisions. So like the little die, there's 5 there, right? So there's 5 letters. So I'm gonna go ahead and include 5. So it ties it back in. And then these are like my students' drawing pencils. They used to have a competition to see like who could do the smallest, like use the pencil the longest. So I'm just kind of figuring out like, is there a way for these to be fun in there too? I just wanted you to see that I'm going back and revising. Like, I had something decent, but it could have been better. And I don't know, if I'm gonna use these, I'm gonna establish kind of a rhythm with them. Again, this is an art principle. Look at everything rolling around. It's moving around on me because it's on a folder, which is probably not the smartest idea. There we go. That kind of creates some movement and some rhythm. And then I'm gonna get in, again, I want that like, thanks for being part of my journey. Like I want that to be important, but now I have other colors. My light's kind of fallen a little bit, so I've gotta adjust it. And there, this would, I mean, there's a lot going on in here. So maybe this is where I would start to like scale back or crop in a little closer. I might experiment just a little bit with like that angle and like what's not enough and what's too much. It's okay if it's a lot, as long as they all relate.